Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to upload story on Instagram from PC or laptop. Let me show you the steps with which you can do it on your PC. So open up your browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Open up your preferred web browser like Chrome, Firefox or Safari and go to Instagram. Log in and enter your username and password to log in into your account. And once logged in, look for the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is used to add new photos. Then select from the drop-down menu. Choose from your post or live video for your post. Follow the prompt to drag or upload your picture. And a file explorer window will open. Select the photo you want to upload from your computer. And Instagram allows you to crop and add filters and add many more options before creating your post. After selecting your image, you can also apply filters and make basic edits. So write a caption for your post in the text box provided. You can also add location tags and hashtags and other tags users if desired. And once you are satisfied with your edits and caption, click the share button to publish your post on Instagram. So yeah, this is how you can just upload a story from Instagram on Instagram from PC or laptop. So yeah, these are the ways. Hope this video helps and we will see you in the next one.